Hello, it's Blake Tucker, Beverage Director for Taste Catering. Today we're going to be making lemon thyme syrup, the byproduct of which will be lemon thyme candied peel, which is delightful. Your first step to make this, create a bunch of lemon peels. Channel knife is best, but you could do this with a vegetable peeler. You want to go from pole to pole and basically strip the lemon. In a pan, add 1 cup water, 1 cup sugar, and bring that to a boil. Once it's clear, you can pour in the lemon peels and then let it simmer at a medium heat for 10 minutes. After that, drop in 4 sprigs of thyme, pull it off the heat. After it's cool, strain it and pull out the thyme and throw that away. Find a small container you can put all your lemon peels into and then thoroughly cover it with sugar. Shake this every day or two. The point is to use the sugar to dry out the lemon peels. Plus, it's a good holistic way to use an entire lemon because now you can juice this naked lemon. For more advanced recipes, follow me, Booze Freaks, on Instagram and YouTube. That's it for now. See you next week.